Good morning, traders. My name is Jacob from FINEIGHT, and we will talk about some educational content today, especially if it's good to draw lines or zones if you are thinking about some retracement from some area, some support or resistance. Many traders draw a line and they tell you, okay, I think price will stop exactly at the trend line. The truth is, nobody knows if the market will stop at the trend line or not. Because you draw a trend line from some 2 or 3 pivot points, in this case from 2, okay, from February 2016 and December 2018. And look, it depends on my hand how I draw this trend line. So how you can say that the market will stop at a trend line? It's almost impossible. The truth is that it's much more better to draw a trend line, but understand that it's not a wall, okay? Market can break the trend line or can break the support resistance level and then can move back. What really matters is time. How much time did market spend below the trend line in this case? Was it for maybe 6 weeks? Then market, let's say, stays below the trend line, and we can say, okay, probably market will go lower because lower prices were not rejected. In this case, market broke the trend line and spent there maybe 3 weeks. We also saw some rejection, very nice rejection here, this green bar. So lower prices were rejected. And look what happened. Market went up above the trend line. So it doesn't matter that the market traded below the trend line because it worked. It had a power because of the coronavirus, because of everything. We really don't know what was the fuel for the market to go lower almost to 2020, okay? So it's much more better to understand that it's a line and market can bounce off maybe 10 points, 20 points above or below the market. So you have to read and you have to connect the dots to understand what's happening in the market. I'll switch to daily chart and we will see. Okay, sorry, I have to make it visible. Visibility in a daily chart. So we'll switch to daily chart. Look what's happening. Market went through the trend line. Then look, from support changed to resistance. Look, these bars. Market had a problem to go higher, to move back again above the trend line. But what happened? Very nice 1 2 3 pattern, and now market is above the trend line. So we have big possibility if the market goes again to trend line that it's a very strong support level. So you have to read what's happening in the market. Many traders like value areas. So maybe short explanation, what's value area? Value area is let's say 80% of volume, so where the market was traded, okay? Look, here in this trading range, 80% was around here, okay? And look, 80% of volume was there. It's a volume profile, shows which prices were attractive for traders, so they open there many shares, open or close, okay? So in this case, from some low volume nodes, look, there is a low volume. Many traders want to trade again back to the trading range, okay? So many traders see, well, here, I'd like to take a trade back to trading range from the edge of the value area. But it's only 50% of traders. The second group is breakout trader. So they want to push the market lower. And what happened in this case? Look, market went lower, but that breakout was rejected. Look what happened almost immediately. Second, third, and fourth bar was green. So this breakout was rejected almost immediately after this breakout happened. So many traders can say, "Oh, yes, we broke the trading range to downside, so we will, again, remember, we will go lower. We have a probability to go lower." That's a better sentence. But in this case, the breakout was rejected very quickly. Compare this situation and this. Market did not stay below the market, below the previous range or trend line for some time. To move the point of control of the value area, I'll explain volume profile in the next video, so you will understand what the point of control is, the fairest price. So market did not move the volume, the point of control lower, so nobody wanted to trade lower prices. And it was a fail breakout. So again, it's much better to draw some zones instead of drawing some let's say some lines. It's really better to draw this zone, for example, low volume node, because market, look here, market stopped at the upper edge of the zone. Okay, here it was at the edge of the zone. Nobody knows or cannot say that market will stop at price, for example, 254.36. It's almost impossible. You have to draw some zones, not lines. And if you have line, for example, trend line, you have to understand that market can go through the trend line, but you have to read the market. Try to understand if it's a correct breakout or not. So that's the main goal, how to understand support and resistance levels. It's not a wall, okay? Market can go through that support or resistance and can move back very quickly. So you have to read if we have a power to follow that breakout or not. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was useful for you to understand why we cannot be master traders who draw a line and market will bounce off of that trend line. So thank you again and enjoy your trades, guys. Bye.